Hi there, and welcome to a moment of calm, a guided meditation brought to you by Sleepybeanzzz. Whether you're feeling a bit worried, your mind feels busy, or your body feels a little tight, let's take this time to relax and find some peace together. Let's start by finding a quiet space to sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes if that feels good for you, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a second, and now slowly breathe out through your mouth. As you listen to the gentle music, feel your body start to relax. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale, breathing out slowly through your mouth. Once more, take a big breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. With every breath, you're giving your body a little more calm and a little more peace. Keep relaxing your body. Take a big breath in and exhale slowly. As you breathe, notice how your body feels. Are your shoulders stiff? Do your hands feel tight? With every breath, imagine softening those parts of your body, making them feel loose and relaxed. Breathe in through your nose. Relax your body and breathe out, releasing any tension. Now let's do a little body check. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Move your shoulders up and down, relaxing your body. Imagine all the tightness in your body slowly melting away. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. We all have busy brains sometimes. Let's pause those thoughts with a simple mantra. Repeat after me, in your head or out loud. I am calm. I am safe. I can let my worries float away. If any thoughts come up that make you feel worried, picture them as little clouds floating by in the sky. Watch them drift away. Each breath you take helps clear those clouds and makes space for calm. Breathe in deeply through your nose and breathe out. Imagine you're blowing away any remaining worries. You feel lighter and more peaceful with each breath. And remember, no matter how busy or big your feelings might seem, you have the power to calm your body and mind anytime you need. You are strong and you are calm. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in slowly and breathe out even slower. You are safe. You are calm. You can let your worries float away. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Anytime you feel upset, your thoughts feel too big, or you just need a moment of calm, you can come back to this guided meditation. We'll be here whenever you need it.